Are you looking to find people on Instagram using just their phone numbers? In that case, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to get the job done. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Using the Discover People option. Well, simply open Instagram and head over to the profile page. Then click on the menu option and tap Discover People. After that, tap on Connect Contact. The phone will now ask permission to access your contact book. Once you grant access, the phone will sync with your contact details and list down all your contacts who are on Instagram. Method 2. Use the Instagram setting. Like the previous process, head over to your Instagram profile page and then click on the menu option. After that, tap on Settings and then on Follow and Invite Friends. Now, from the list of options, click on Follow Contacts. After that, you need to give permission to your phone to access your contact book. And once that is done, it will list down the Instagram account of your contacts. However, if somebody from your contact book does not appear on this Instagram account list, there are two reasons for that. 1. They have not synced their phone number or numbers with their Instagram account. 2. They did not use the phone number you have to create their account. And there you have it. 2 quick solutions to find Instagram accounts using phone numbers. We hope one of these methods has worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.